They look good. They look really, really good. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Trailing Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my socials at Trailing Danita. Alright guys, I am back with another video. Okay, it's another hair video, another style video. I am trying out a wash and go combo on my type 4 hair. Yeah, you know, I'm always in search of that definition, okay? The definition to get the curls popping. So we're going to try this combo out. I ran across this combo, I think on TikTok or Instagram. I don't know. I saw it. I jotted it down. I said, boom, we're trying that next. So I'm trying out this wash and go combo on my type 4 hair. So face is glistening. I just washed my hair. Just got out the shower. My hair is completely cleaned. It is washed. It is ready for the combo application. So let's get right into it. So the combo that I am using today is this, y'all. It is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey line. It's the Curl Defining Mousse and the Coil Sculpting Custard. I've used these products separately, paired them with other products, and I'll be honest with you, this one has not always been my friend. Depending on what I pair it with, I get a lot of flaking. I just do. I don't, maybe it's me, maybe it's my hair, I don't know, but I just do. So I'm crossing my fingers on this and I'm going in, okay? This I've used before. It depended on separate styles, separate wash and go, a one product wash and go, as well as perm rod set, that sort of thing. So this one, I'm all for it. I've used it, okay? 10 out of 10. This one, not so much. So we're gonna see how they work together, and we are trying this out, okay? At first I wasn't gonna record because I'm just was like, okay, let me try something. I'm like, no, let me share it with my people, because my people might want to know too. So here we go. Like I said, my hair has been freshly washed. I'm working in sections per usual, so I have 4 sections. While I was in the shower washing my hair, I did put a smidge of the leave-in conditioner to my hair. Not a whole lot, because I didn't want so many products on my hair to get that flaking thing going. So I just put a little bit of this on my hair. That's the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner. Just a smidge, not a whole lot, just to get some moisture back into my hair after I've washed it. Working in small sections like I always do when I am doing a wash and go, and making sure all the strands are getting the product. Also making sure the hair is detangled, okay? Gotta make sure that wash and go is detangled, otherwise it's gonna be a hot mess. Just washed my hair, so my hair is really wet, but I just want to make sure my hair is soaking wet. So I'm gonna apply a little bit more water to it, because you know, the wash and go, it just works better on soaking wet hair. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the mousse first. Take about that much. Start out working the hair. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna split this section. Split this in half. Working that down the hair. And with mousse, my hair normally does really good with mousse wash and goes. It gives like the fluffy kind of look, more volume look. So I know I'll get some of that definition with the mousse, but coupled with the custard, that's the trick. That's what we gotta find out, how that's gonna go. Custard, and raking it in on top. My biggest fear with this custard is that it will flake. Y'all, that flaking is, it's the worst. Especially when if you go through your whole hair styling it, dry it, do everything, and it flakes. Cue me now, like, was it all worth it? Like, so annoying. So pray for me, y'all, that this combination does not give me a whole hell of a flake. But right now, this is what the definition is looking like. Another thing too, when I saw this, I think it was TikTok, I can't remember, y'all. When I saw this on this combination on social media, I was like, oh, I have those products in my stash. That's another thing. I'm trying to use my product stash. I am a product junkie. I gotta get out the habit of just buying new stuff and just kind of use the stuff that I have. So this combination was already in my stash, so that makes it even better. Putting the custard on top of that mousse. Like laying the custard on my roots a little bit and using the kind of the shingling method to go through the curls and separate the curls like that. Oh, and all of the tools that I'm using, the detangling brush, the spray bottle, it's a part of the TV Curl Cousin Curl Kit. I'll pop it up on the screen so you guys can see it. I use all of the products in that kit when I'm styling my hair. I'll be sure to leave it down in the description below if you're interested in those items. But yeah, I just love it. Split this in half a little bit. See, the mousse on my hair is just so good. Like, I just hope I don't regret this with this damn, that flaking. Pray for me, y'all, pray. And I wonder if it matters, like, putting the mousse on first or the order of the application. I don't know, y'all, so we're gonna see. But anyway, this is the definition. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my hair and come back and show you the results, the wet result. Down to the last sections of my hair. Couple of things while I was applying this combo. A little bit of the mousse goes a long way. Like, even in the sections, I only needed like one pump. So, and it almost felt like the mousse was, I don't know, taking over the style. So I might have just more mousse on my hair than I do have the custard. But, so like, I'm just gonna take this one pump here and just glide it all over, making sure all the strands are covered. And if you've been following me for a long time, you know your girl is heavy-handed with product. I just am. Oh God, such a bad habit sometimes. I'm gonna take some of that custard and I just rub it, like mix it in with it, because my hands already has like the mousse and stuff on it. And I just rub it like that, rake it down the strands of my hair and shingling. Been using the shingling method pretty much for this wash and go. I more so do that technique all the time, just raking and shingling and just making sure the hair is like wet. Okay, wet and detangled. And I'm putting mousse at the roots too to help with the puffiness. You have like, it's a lot of mousse. I did like 1.5 pumps for that. It's a lot. Like, a little goes a long way. Rubbing some custard in my hands to rake that through as well. Okay, so all of the products have been applied to my hair, and this is what it is looking like. That's freshly applied, and this, of course, I applied first, so you can kind of see it's already like melting in my hair and drying a little bit. I just did this, so that's how it looks initially. And then I have on these hair weights. I've been getting a lot of questions about the hair weights. I use these hair weights when I am doing a wash and go or any kind of like wet style. It kind of helps the hair from shrinking as much. As you can see, it's like I mainly use them in the backs of my hair, if you can see, just to kind of help with the shrinkage, okay? And I'll be sure to link everything, all of the products that I'm using. I'll be sure to link everything down in the description below. But yeah, this is the results, guys. Like I got clips everywhere because I just wanted to make sure the product was on all the sections of my hair and that I did not miss anything. So let me see. This is what it is looking like. All right before the drying process, I am going to be sitting under a hooded dryer because we don't do air dry around here. Because why? It's not effective. Okay. We're doing a hooded dryer, and then I'll go through and diffuse some of the pieces as well. But yeah, this is what we got. Fingers crossed that I don't get flakes, guys, because that would just be bad for me. Oh my god. Okay guys, I am back. These are the results. These are the results. No flaking. No flaking. Thank God, because I prayed while I was under the hooded dryer, because I'm telling you, I was so afraid that the hair was going to flake, and I don't see any residue in my hair. Because that is the biggest pet peeve for me with my hair and product. If it starts flaking, it's going in the trash. So I'm glad I didn't throw the custard in the trash when I first used it, because it was giving me so many flakes. So I'm glad I gave it a second chance. And I'm glad I'm using it as this combo. So good for me, good for me. But anyway, these are the results. Now keep in mind, this is first day hair. I did not do a lot of fluffing. I did use the hair weights to kind of weigh my hair down in the back. As you can see here, like this hair down here is a little longer than up here, obviously because I had the hair weights. But I did sit under the dryer and I did diffuse my hair to kind of get it all the way dry. So this is what it is looking like. And normally I would stretch my curls, so this hair is not even stretched, it's not even fluff, and it's still giving me volume and definition on first day hair. So this product combo is a combo I'm definitely going to put in the file, and save for later and pull it out when I need it. Because yeah, I think I'm more pleasantly surprised because I was expecting flakes, and now that I'm not, I am so happy. So this product combination works well on my hair. My hair feels really moisturized. It doesn't feel dry or anything like that, which I love. I don't like my wash and goes to be too hard, but I do know that they need to have some level of like gel cast to make them last throughout the day. So I'm praying that this wash and go will last me for at least 5 to 7 days. But yep, these are the results. I like them. They look good. They look really, really good. And I'm impressed because I haven't even fluffed my hair out. I have not plucked my hair. I have not stretched it. So this is on first day, non-stretched, non-plucked hair. And it's still giving me vibes. So love that. Yeah, down below, let me know, are you a fan of the Mielle pomegranate honey line? Have you used those products before? Have you tried this wash and go combo? And are you gonna try it now? Be like me, okay? Give it another shot. You just might like it. All right guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, ciao.